Here we are at the city. I'll clean this lens up a little bit better. Hopefully there's no running water. The water main's off in this one, so we'll do what we can with the water off. So there's the city. Looks like that's 6-inch clay there at the end. And that's, the rest of it's 4-inch cast. So yeah, you can see it's in really rough shape. Definitely needs to be scraped out. There's a lot of scale buildup. You can see on the bottom there. You can see it on the sides. There's one turn right there. It drops down. Slightly low spot through here. Either that or it just needs to be scraped out. Should definitely get descaled and jetted, blow all this gunk out. See, it's a rough ride down through here. There's another turn. You can see there's a lot of buildup on the bottom of the pipe there. Either way, it should probably get jetted out. It needs to be cleared all that rubble in there. That debris. So yeah, this pipe needs descale and jetting.